gave her a little wash. This is gonna kind of be, this is the kind of the rally stance. Let's see if I can get some, I got some little project stuff I'm gonna try and do to her tonight. Let's see if we can't get this thing all set up before I go back into flat irons tomorrow with the new setup, the new stance. So rally stance. Okay. Here's kind of where she is right now in all her glory. See what we'll get these coilovers on her. See just how rice-tastic our little ride is. I do have my other track wheels for it and stuff. So first I'll get this kind of garage picked up. I have a bunch of stuff just like spread out so that I can start cleaning through it. But we'll get this thing pulled in tonight and see if I can't meet my deadline of having a little lowered E36 to go to the podcast tomorrow for flat iron tuning. So let's see what it looks like. There she is. Garage is ready. I mean, it's not perfect, but plenty of room for shenanigans. So let's take a look at these things. These are some MaxPeeding coilovers. Sam, you trying to be in the video, bud? Well, these are some cheap MaxPeeding coilovers I got off of Amazon. $205 shipped. Hi, Sam. And there's no adjustments except for preload and ride height. So no compression adjustments whatsoever. There are some adjustments here in the top. These things are not too bad. I mean, at least they're on like a bearing of some sort. You know, maybe not sure what the quality is, but steel bodies, fairly certain. I mean, all spray painted and such, but at least they match my my lower control arms in the rear. Coilover perches and stuff for the rear springs. You know, the usual little things here. But right now, let's get these things. Let's get the stock stuff off and get it ready to get this new Stancy Boy stuff on. I feel like it's criminal to be taking these nice conies out and then putting in these cheap MaxPeedingRods. But oh well, honestly, not as low as I thought it would be. But the rears are pretty much, and that was the scariest part, the rears are pretty much down like all the way. But the fitment's not too bad. Obviously we need an alignment still. You get some fresh tires out of the old pile, but she's not looking too bad with cheap coilovers. Pretty funny, but not looking too bad.
PIR. Big thanks to Jeanette Negri for setting up the track day, even though she didn't get to actually come out. We're actually doing our little test day right now on the little MaxPeedingRods, the little $200 control arms, or well, coilovers. So first impressions so far, we've been driving it for about a week and a half. It feels really good. I'm actually really shocked that something like this cheap could actually have such decent street manners. We definitely got it pretty low, but bringing it out the track is really kind of the true test. We are running it currently without the rear sway bar. I was wanting it to kind of settle, and so I can actually get the links correct. I didn't want it to be preloaded. So we went out and we've got a couple sessions now, kind of got the tires dialed in. We still haven't really got a proper alignment, but with the tires kind of where they need to be, we're running at about a 111 flat. Definitely been able to dip down into the 110.8s, 110.5s, but losing it in the last bit of the S's is just a little tight there, and the car doesn't quite have the composure. One thing I will say, it's pretty obvious that it does not have the manners that a true coilover set has. Especially on track, you definitely notice the missing dampening in the rear. So not complaining about it though. The car is pretty fun. I'd like to get to the 109s. I think there's without an alignment, I think that's going to be tough. We're going to throw the sway bar on in the rear and see if that helps at all, kind of during that little wannabe drifty period. See if we can't get more grip in the rear. So let's see what happens. With the little MaxPeedingRods, and I have to say that overall I'm impressed. I didn't get to run the times exactly that I was hoping to run today, which were about a 109, but I did get damn close running in 110s today. We noticed about a second difference with the gain of the sway bar, but ultimately I think we are reaching the limitations of our no alignment. Definitely needs more front grip. I think we can get that out of the front camber, but ultimately, with the exception of the rear being a little bit bouncy, with the coilovers, the sway bar really did help calm that down a lot. So I'd say overall, with my experience today with a car like this, and for the ride quality and stuff, for the Stancy Boy lowness, and all the other good things, and the cost, I'd say this is definitely worth the $200. So the car was a lot easier to drive than when I drove it on my Kona Yellows with the Sports Springs at Gingerman last year. So definitely a win there. And I think for the money invested, I mean, it definitely makes me wish I had nicer coilovers, but they're just so cheap. They actually are working pretty good. So we'll get this thing with the proper alignment, get the camber, kind of definitely have a better idea of what I'd like to add camber wise to the car, and hopefully bring it back out again.